watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello and welcome, everyone. We're exploring stylish and eco-friendly home decor today, perfect for the approaching springtime. I'm thrilled to share with you some doable advice and concepts for improving your living area while being environmentally conscious. Now, let's get started. Include houseplants. To liven up your home, bring some fresh vegetation indoors. Select environmentally friendly materials. Go for decor and furnishings made of recycled or reclaimed wood, bamboo, or other sustainable materials. Upcycle used materials. Use your imagination to transform used materials into brand new decor elements. For example, you could turn used crates into shelving or mason jars into candle holders. Employ natural textiles. For a hint of organic elegance, decorate with hemp, linen, or organic cotton fabrics. Make your own wall art with sustainable art supplies or repurposed materials. Energy-efficient lighting. To cut down on energy use, use dimmer switches or convert to LED bulbs. Vintage finds. Look through secondhand or online thrift stores to uncover one-of-a-kind vintage decor items that will give your house personality. Minimalism. Adopt a decluttered, calm aesthetic by emphasizing quality over quantity and decorating with a minimalist style. Sustainable bedding. For a plush and environmentally responsible way to sleep, get bedding made of bamboo or organic cotton. Solar-powered decor. For a green touch, add solar-powered lighting or fountain elements to your outdoor area. Handmade planters. Construct your own planters out of repurposed materials or containers, such as wooden crates or clay pots. Compost bin. To produce nutrient-rich soil for your indoor or outdoor plants, start composting your food leftovers. Water-saving fixtures. To save water without compromising performance, install low-flow showerheads, toilets, and faucets. Natural cleaning supplies. To cut down on chemical exposure and plastic waste, Make your own cleaning solutions using basic items like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Eco-friendly rugs. Rugs manufactured from natural fibers, such as sisal or jute, give warmth and texture to your floors. Vintage kitchenware. Look for enduring stainless steel utensils, glass jars, and cast iron skillets among other vintage kitchenware. Eco-friendly storage containers made of bamboo, seagrass, or recycled plastic can help you organize your space and provide sustainable storage alternatives. Indoor herb garden. To add some fresh flavor and some greenery to your kitchen, grow your own herbs indoors. Water-wise landscaping. To cut down on water use in your outdoor space, choose drought-tolerant plants and landscaping methods. Take part in or host community swap activities to trade gently used decor items, which will cut waste and promote a feeling of community. And there you have it, folks. Eco-friendly spring decor ideas to inspire you to create a stylish and sustainable home. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel motivated to make some positive changes in your living space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.